Hi, hello everyone. My name is Nurul Izzah binti Azizan. Number metric D2019-108-8592. Okay, today I want to explain about the theory evolution by natural selection as presented by Darwin. The theory of evolution by natural selection, first formulated in Darwin's book On the Origin of Species in 1859, is the process by which organisms change over time as a result of change in heritable physical or behavioral traits. Changes that allow an organism to better adapt to its environment will help it survive and have more offspring. Evolution by natural selection is one of the best substance theories in the history of science, supported by evidence from a wide variety of scientific disciplines, including paleontology, geology, genetics, and development biology. A curator of human origins at the American Museum of Natural History in New York City, Brian Richmond, said this theory has two main points. First, all life of Earth is connected and related to each other, and this diversity of life is a product of modification of populations by natural selections, where some traits were favored in an environment over others. Natural selection can change a species in small ways, causing a population to change color or size over the course of several generations. This is called microevolution. But natural selection is also capable of much more. Given enough time and enough accumulated changes, natural selection can create entirely new species known as macroevolution. It can turn dinosaurs into birds, amphibious mammals into whales, and the ancestor of apes into humans. In the first edition of On the Origin of Species in 1859, Charles Darwin speculated about how natural selection could cause a land mammal to turn into a whale. Take the example of whales, which is using evolution as their guide and knowing how natural selection works. Biologists knew that the transition of early whales from land to water occurred in a series of predictable steps. Random genetic changes result in at least one whale having its nostril placed farther back on its head. Those animals with this adaptation would have been better suited to a marine lifestyle since they would not have to completely surface to breathe. Such animals would have been more successful and had more offspring. In later generations, more genetic changes occurred, moving the nose farther back on the head. So, we are going to the end. Despite the wealth of evidence from the fossil record, genetics, and other fields of science, some people still question its validity. However, evolution is well supported by many examples of changes in various species leading to the diversity of life seen today. Richmond once said, if someone could really demonstrate better explanation than evolution and natural selections, that person would be the new Darwin. That's all from me. Bye!